Hi, I'm Shea Ramquist, a teacher in Trinity's Rhetoric School and the Director of TrinityU. Together with Mrs. Cato, we would like to invite you to attend the inaugural TrinityU lecture series. Our teachers are excited to share some of the best ideas from Christian classical education that they are teaching in their classes and share them with you. The topics for this spring lecture series include the art of persuasion, the relationship between Christianity and science, and the deeper purpose for studying languages. Who are these lectures designed for? Well, they're for parents, grandparents, friends and neighbors, and anybody who's interested in stretching and growing their minds and learning more about Christian classical education.
I'm very excited about this chance to share the powerful ideas we teach at Trinity with parents and our broader community. I hope you will come and enjoy an evening at TrinityU.